Now, I'm trying to think of things which are trending, which is a bit different and new for me to try and do this. So I'm trying to do things which are trending to try and get more views on my YouTube channel, for example. Now, what I also want to say to you is that with the YouTube algorithm, which I still haven't figured out, I'm still trying to figure this out, for example, but I do notice that if I'm using trending topics, then my views go up. Yeah, so my views will go up if I use trending topics, but it's got to be something that I like, that I enjoy talking about. I want to try and be more motivational, for example. I want to try and be more helpful with, how to get contracts in healthcare businesses. That's my speciality, for example, and has been for over 35 years. But what I want to try and do is to also show you how you can get leads from YouTube, no matter what type of business that you're doing. You don't necessarily have to do healthcare businesses, for example. So what I want to share with you today is how you can get clients using YouTube. And this is going to be a step-by-step guide. So stay tuned for more. Now I'm going to go into this more with you. So first of all, what I want to say is welcome, and my name is Christine Crowell, and I am the CEO, but also I'm a AI automation expert in especially business recovery coaching, for example. So why YouTube is really the best platform for you to attract clients, leads, to get quality leads organically without paying for adverts. Now, for example, I'll explain to you how I was able to attract clients using YouTube, and that is by me doing training, things which relate to what they're looking for and what they're needing help with, for example. And this is why, like I said, YouTube is the ultimate client attraction machine for me anyway. And I'm sure it's been for a lot of you as well. So YouTube, as you know, it is a search engine. It's not just a social platform, but it is literally a search engine. And you know how I'm talking about AI a lot, for example? Well, AI is like Google search engine. That's what we had back then. It was Google when Google started. Then before that, we'd have to go to the library and do research. Then it was, we'd do like WordPress, websites, things like that to attract clients, for example. Now, your videos will work 24/7 and they can generate leads for you even while you sleep. I've got videos years and years old, and, people still find me through those videos, for example. So if you're really looking for decision makers, for example, you can search for solutions via YouTube. So those business owners will go onto YouTube if they're looking, they want to learn something, and those are where the decision makers can be. Rather than you ringing and you're trying to find out, who's the decision maker. Maybe you've emailed someone that, they're not responding to you.